Hello and welcome to Enhanced Primary Care. I'm Daniel Vincent and I'm a former practice manager and partner. I established Enhanced Primary Care to offer a PPA reconciliation service to practices. What I've come to realise is actually we offer practices time, a really precious commodity in primary care. Time that you would never have to find income for work you've already done. Our team will look through the past 6 years of work that you've completed and find all those times where a doctor or a nurse has used an item on a patient that is claimable through your FP34 process. But unfortunately, probably because they were focusing on providing care, they didn't produce a prescription. When no prescription is produced, we know that neither a claim has been made, nor was the item obtained from a pharmacy. And therefore, if claimed correctly, it is due to you. As a former practice manager, I realise just how precious your time is, and therefore we request just 15 minutes to get you up and running with the service. Our automated onboarding system will take you through 3 steps. The first is where you provide your practice details and agree to the service. The second is where you sign a data processing agreement between us. And the third is providing the details to access your clinical system so that we can remotely review your claims. Our mission is to create a sustainable primary care, and therefore we only charge commission. That commission is of the items we find, so therefore if we don't find anything, you won't be paying anything. As I started growing my team, I was aware that we needed to make sure that our values were consistent. And therefore, we've created 4 values that apply to the whole team and every single decision that we make, and they're ranked in order. So our first value is ethical behaviour, so that you can be assured that every claim that is made will be valid. The next is relationships, and for us, that's about excellent communication. We will keep you updated throughout the process and let you know what's happening next. If for any reason you find yourself lost, just email any member of the team and we'll get you back on track. The third is learning. So we will learn throughout to make our processes better and to support you as practices even better every single day. And our fourth is success. We need to be a profitable company in order to survive ourselves and support the primary care community. Our reconciliation process has 3 phases. The first phase is your high value, low volume items, such as Zoladex, Prostap and testosterone. We will seek to get you a large claim nice and early so that that money is in your bank account as soon as possible. We then move on to our phase 2, where we look at your high volume, low value items, such as B12 injections and contraceptive injections. There's many of them, but each one is worth a little bit less. However, we tend to find roughly the same amount of money in a phase 1 as we do a phase 2, so well worth doing. And then our final reconciliation will look at your flu claims. So we're going to look at all of the flu vaccinations that you've given over the past 6 years and all of the claims you've already made to the NHS BSA. And we'll compare the two and give you a report with a net figure for each year and a net figure overall. If you feel you know enough about our service and you would like to sign up, please use the form below. Alternatively, please arrange a call with the team and they can walk you through the process step by step.